How to reset Brave browser to default settings. Here's how to do it. Open Brave browser on your computer. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click Reset Settings. Select Restore settings to their original defaults. A confirmation window will appear explaining what will be reset. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Brave will reset your settings and disable your extensions. Your startup page, cookies, and temporary site data will also be reset. Your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords will not be deleted. Once the reset is complete, you can close the Settings tab and continue using Brave with its default settings. And that's it! That's how you can easily restore Brave browser to its original default settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.